Hey everyone, welcome back to Mine Art. So in previous part of this drawing, Arjun drawing, I showed you how to outline it, and in this video we are going to color it. So we will use watercolor and all the colors means wax crayon, sketch color and watercolor in to fill color in this drawing. So let's start. First of all, we are coloring his lenses with light brown color. If you have dark one, you can also use that, like that. And now we are using this wax crayon skin color for his skin tone. So fill it. So coloring Arjun's skin we have completed. Now we are filling this dark brown color for his hairs. You have to color it carefully because here you can see there is also air between these hairs. So here it is, we have also colored his hairs, and now we are ready to color his armor. I think it is his armor, and after that we will color his cloth. The borders of this gauntlet you have to color with orange, or if you have golden color then you can also fill. Similarly here, and this one also. So border we have completed. Now we are filling watercolor. So this is my color plate and let's start. We have colored this whole drawing, but something is missing, I think. Oh yes, we have just left filling these pearls, like here. This one with blue, this one with also blue, and the center pearl with red. We will leave some space between it, like it is just shining. Let's just leave this color getting dry. So finally color has been dried and whole coloring process has been done. So I hope you like this drawing. In the previous part I shown you how to just outline it, and in this part I showed you how to color it. So this drawing was very fun and I really enjoyed drawing this. I hope you will also try it, and please try it at once. And if you are new on our channel then you can subscribe, and if you want to learn more interesting drawing videos in future you can subscribe, and please also like this video. So see you soon with the next one. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you for watching.